TrueLine offers an exceptional line of indoor air quality products that allows the customer to control what is in the air they breathe. Indoor air is filled with particulates, gases, and germs that can cause illness and other respiratory problems. Our indoor air quality products control air contaminants by reducing them to acceptable levels or by completely removing them through a filter. MERV13 Media Air Cleaner installs in the return duct of virtually any forced air heating or cooling system. As air flows through the system, the Media Air Cleaner traps particles as small as 1.0 micron, including pollen, dust, and dander. These cleaners create a tight envelope that focuses air into and through a filter. Breathe easy with the indoor air quality product line by TrueLine.